Welcome to our mini project of CSS332 section 2. Our project is about the door lock system. We divided our contents into 4 parts. The first one is our concept. The second one is the material we use in the project. The third one is the code we generated, and the fourth one is the demonstration of our project. For the concept, nowadays, many people are replacing their traditional door locks with the electronic one to eliminate the need for carrying keys and to enhance the security. In this project, we will demonstrate how simple it is to create your own electronic door lock. Let's begin with the listening of the material part. In this part, we use one Arduino Uno, one keypad, two 10K ohm resistors, two LEDs, one buzzer, one LCD display, and one breadboard. This is how our circuit looks like. We connected everything with the Arduino Uno. We set the pin of 13 to be the buzzer, and we also connected the LEDs with the resistor and set the pin of 11 and 12 to the LEDs. And we also connected the keypad and LCD display as shown here in the picture.
This is the first part of the code. First, we import the necessary libraries, including servo, keypad, YH, and liquid crystal. The first library is servo. It's used when we use with rotating mechanisms like door locks. So we left it so the code can be implemented with other external equipment. Next one is keypad and its definitions below. To enable the keypad to accept input and outputs and operates further in other methods. The third one is YH. It allows communicating with I2C devices. And the last one is liquid crystal. It enables the LCD equipment. And after that, we define the pin number as the value of the buzzer, red light and green light, and set the change password mode state as false first. Next one, this is the setup function that will let Arduino knows that the buzzer LED lights are output and set the passive buzzer as high first, because this type of buzzer activates when the buzzer state is low. This is the loop function that call the handle keypad input function when the keypad is pressed. These two lines also make the LCD shows the number that keypad is pressed. This is the first part of the main function handle keypad input. When D is pressed, the change password mode is turned on. Go into the change password process, which will require the original password first. If the original password is wrong, the process will terminate it and the LCD will print password does not match. Next one, if the correct original password is input, the Arduino will let us insert the new sequence of numbers instead, and it will record it as new password. So when the normal operations continue further, it will remember the password as the new password instead. The LCD will show the password change text, and the buzzer will play the music, which is the Harry Potter, according to the Harry Potter method that we have set when the process have end. This one operates when normal cases we will use hash and asterisk instead. Hash will call the access granted if the input is correct, but call the access denied function instead if the input is incorrect. The asterisk will clear the input we type in case we mistype some numbers. So the input will be allowed to we put the new sequence of numbers instead and process as normally. The access granted function is activated when the correct password is inputted. The green light will turn on. The Mario song will play by the buzzer. And the servo equipment will operate. This parameter can be adjusted according to what the external equipment needs. And the LCD will print access granted. The access denied function activates when the password is inputted incorrectly. The red light will turn on instead. The pirate song will be played by the buzzer, and the servo equipment will be deactivated. Lastly, the LCD will print access denied instead, and the process will be terminated. This is the first melody we use in the code, which pirate we define notes according to notes required and play it in sequence that we need. This is the method Mario that will play Mario song. It has similar patterns that we will define the note first and play the sequence of it. This is Harry Potter, so it's same as all three. We define the note first, define the tempo, and play it according to the sequence and delay.
This is the demonstration part. The default password is 4321, and if you press the hash, it will show the access granted and LED will on and play the Mario song. And you can clear an input by press on the asterisk, and if you enter the wrong input, it will play the Pirates of the Caribbean theme song. Red LED will on and show the access denied. And if you want to change your password, you can just press the your own number, own password, and press on the D, and it will show new password, and you can enter your new password, and you press the hash again, and it will show that your password is already changed, and we play the Harry Potter theme song. Check that your password already changed or not by press the new password. And press hash again. Like this. You can check by enter the own password 4321 to the keypad, and it will show that your password is denied because you already changed it.